Very good evening, everybody. Let's wait for some people. हाय मिड्डा जी, कैसे हो आप? हाय ध्रुव, हाय कॉल मी नाइट कॉल क्रॉलर, हाय बायोटेक, हाय संचित. हाउ यू गाइस डूइंग? क्या चल रहा है? बांगा भाई भी यहाँ पे हैं. 1 second, कार्निवो इज हेयर. हेलो.
व्हाट्सअप कैसे हो?
ऑल गुड ब्रो, ऑल गुड. आप बताइए, आप कैसे हो? हाउ इज द
मैं
क्वारंटाइन
कीपिंग, I
ट्रीटिंग
guess,
यू?
just trying to kill time these days.
By the
अब
what's
तो
up with the
लूडो गेम खेल के नहीं
haircut?
नहीं, अब लूडो गेम खेल के समझ आ गया कब 6 आने वाला है.
What's up with the haircut?
I was trying to just chop my hair and I was like देखते हैं, this quarantine is gonna extend till 1 month, so but अब मैं डर गया.
Yeah, ठीक है, देखते हैं. अभी पहले लोगों को ज्वाइन करने दो. मिड्डा इज हियर, शाश्वती. lot of people saying hi. Let more people join, then we'll.
When you texted me like 5 minutes back, I was in the washroom. मैं ऐसे कपड़े पहन दूंगा, नहा तो लूं मैं. मैंने कहा
Yeah,
बहुत
bro.
गंदा मैं
It
शेव
is
भी अभी
it
करी है. मैंने कहा चलो
it is
बैक टू क्लीन शेव.
it is same for everybody, I think.
कॉफी चल रही है मेरे ख्याल से.
नहीं, आज जिंदगी में पहली बार चाय चल रही है.
नहीं यार, चाय
टू
नहीं
बी
पी
वेरी
जाती.
फ्रैंक. नहीं नहीं, चाय तो नहीं पी जाती, पर आज आधा कप पी जा रही है क्योंकि उठा ही नहीं जा रहा है. मैं सुबह से कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बस सो रहा हूँ, उठ रहा हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत काम कर रहा हूँ और मनी हाइस्ट देख रहा हूँ.
ब्रो यू वोंट बिलीव, मेरे पास तो मेरा लैपटॉप भी नहीं है. एक लैपटॉप मेरा हैदराबाद रह गया शो के बाद.
ओह शिट. ओके.
लॉन्ग
अब
स्टोरी.
बैठो. बैठो ग्रो, बैठो घर पे.
आई हैव द सेकंड लैपटॉप, आई एम वर्किंग. देखते हैं कैसा होता है. बट लेकिन जो मेन
ठीक है.
लैपटॉप दैट इज इन हैदराबाद नाउ.
या सो लेट्स
गैरी सिंह
स्टार्ट
रजवाड़े.
एवरीबडी. 1 second. Hi Rahil, hi Niharika, hi Aparna. Who's saying nice cap?
ही सेइंग
गगन,
रिमूव
hi. गैरी भाई, if I remove, look at this. क्या है ये हाल, देखो आप.
सेम स्टोरी विद एवरीवन ब्रो. यू हैव टू रिमूव द कैप. मेरे को कंपनी कौन देगा?
लो फिर,
बस अब
देखी
ठीक है.
जाएगी जो भी है. वट एवर दैट लुक इज. अच्छा ठीक है. सो एवरीबडी, गैरी भाई आपकी रिक्वेस्ट रखो पे. अपर्णा, कैन यू से माई नेम? कार्निवोर हैज टू से अपर्णा's name. अपर्णा
हाय अपर्णा, हाउ आर यू?
25.
आई होप यू डूइंग गुड. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ.
गगन इज
हाथ
हियर.
धोते रहो.
हाथ धोते रहो. चलो, दिस इज वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हु सिटिंग टुडे विद me on base culture live sessions. So let's start. Name everybody. I don't know people know your name or don't know your name, or this,
You know, post
इस
that
बंदे ने
video
कभी
where they
रिवील नहीं
come
किया
story
है.
to ask me a question. They're like, "What's your real name?" I'm like,
गुड गुड वन, थैंक्स. यू आर अ स्मार्टी बॉय. कहाँ स्मार्टी बॉय गैरी भाई? बाल देखो क्या हाल हो रखे है.
इतने टाइम बाद
चलो.
ऐसा ना तो चश्मिश बैठ के इंटरव्यू होने वाला है.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. स्टार्ट करते. स्टार्ट. लेट्स मूव टू सम सीरियस कॉन्वर्सेशन. Somebody
Yes.
already asked what is his real name, so he has to tell his real name. So I'll define, like I'll tell you some things about this guy. I know this guy from last 2.5 years at most,
Two and a
probably,
half
I
years.
guess.
Yeah. We met
So in
Mohammed
Vayu
Amin
Fest.
came from
Vayu
Vayu Fest.
Fest. Yes. And this guy was playing, and I saw this guy playing, and I told him, my God, what energy you have on stage.
Thank you so much.
एंड ही, बहुत लोगों ने मुझे बोला है, बहुत दिल्ली में तो अफवाह आ रखी है कि ये बहुत ज्यादा एरोगेंट टाइप्स है. यू मीट हिम एंड यू विल गेट टू नो ही इज द मोस्ट हम्बल गाय इवन आई हैव मेट इन दिस एज, एंड ही
Thank
इज
you so
वेरी
much.
डेडिकेटेड टुवर्ड हिज वर्क.
Thank you.
तो
Thank you.
नितिश, नहीं, निशित, नॉट नितिश. एवरीबडी सेइंग नितिश.
Someone made a fake account Nitesh Chauhan करके, तो इसलिए मेरे को सब चिढ़ाते हैं.
कैन यू से माई नेम? निहारिका इज सेइंग.
Who's Niharika? कौन सी वाली मेरे को बताइए.
निहारिका जादव. अच्छा, शी इज ऑल्सो अ डीजे, आई गेस. या
हाँ
शी इज
हाँ,
ऑल्सो
hey
अ डीजे.
Niharika, what's up?
Yeah, from Hyderabad. I
Yeah,
remember.
yeah,
I
yeah.
remember
Bollywood.
somebody mentioning a name. Yeah, Bollywood DJ. Yeah. Chalo, bro. Let's start. So you
Yes.
start with the first. First is real name. Everybody today is revealing his real name, and then we'll get to know how the story from Carnivore.
Uh, okay, my real name is Nishit Chauhan, and bas Nishit Chauhan है NISHIT space CHAUHAN.
No, Nitish,
No
Nishit
Nitish,
Chauhan.
no Nitish, no Nishant.
Superb, superb, superb. So, bro, how did this name came up? Carnivore. I have attended his show in IIM Lucknow. Yes, everybody have attended one another show. Navya is saying I have attended one of his shows.
Yes,
I
I
am
am
like,
Lucknow. I guess last year it was. It was good.
okay.
Maybe this year. I don't remember now. Sorry. नहीं
We
यार.
don't remember days. We don't remember
अब तो मुझे
dates.
आज when you said ना yesterday कि कल Saturday तेरा इंटरव्यू करना है, अच्छा कल Saturday है.
Oh shit! I'll tell everybody here what blunder I did. I sent his name to my team saying that I am interviewing him, but I didn't send him that I am interviewing him tomorrow at 5. Then I called him yesterday. I told him this is
We're gonna plan an
blunder.
interview soon, and I was like, okay, just let me know whenever it is happening.
So मैंने वो पूरा अपनी टीम को तो बता दिया. I have attended his show in Hyderabad. A lot of people are saying, "यार your shows."
Thank you
Yeah,
so.
November 2019. Somebody saying.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Chalo, let's move to the story. How did it start? Where was the
The
schooling?
name
Where
of
was the
the
college?
was I mean like it took us more than 1 month to decide a name. And कुछ आई नहीं था
Okay.
पहले new tech, ये tech, वो tech सब कुछ सोच लिया हमने. Then we were like, I mean like I love eating non-vegetarian. I'm like I'm
Achha,
a die-hard chicken eater.
okay. Delhi boy.
Story, I'm a die-hard chicken eater, and I was just going to Rohit's house, my manager's house, and I was like, Rohit, why don't we keep my name Carnivore? He's like, हाँ यार तू चिकन भी खाता है. मैंने कहा, "ये क्या हो गया?"
What is this logic?
तो but ठीक है, but finally I'll be honest, हमने नाम फाइनल करा. I started performing. Starting में I was fucking up a lot. मतलब when you're going for on the stage for the first time या first 10 times, you're very nervous. उसके बाद
True.
eventually जो मेरे को अपने आप जो build हुआ अंदर to perform, पागल होना, stage पे crazy होना, it started complimenting my name a lot. पागलपन,
So,
मांसाहारी, चंगली.
by the way, our friend Scarlet Victim is also here. Manuni is also here.
Manuni. I have a track coming up with her.
Oh, superb. So we'll come to that. Then what happened? Then when was it? This which year?
5 years back.
5 years back. Okay, you
When
started in 2015.
these two guys forced me to get into this industry.
Okay, forced you to get into the industry, and now I think the force is all on your side, and this guy has been killing it
This
next
was
level
not
in the
even,
industry.
I'll be honest, this was not even planned, and सब कुछ ऐसे अपने आप ट्रैक पे आता गया. People started loving me on stage, and मेरे को नहीं पता था कि लोग मेरे को देखने स्पेशली आएंगे कभी. And अब वो
Okay,
आते हैं,
okay.
I'm very blessed. बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
True,
They
man,
come to me,
true,
they're like,
true.
I'm listening to your music from very long. I just need a picture with you. Can I just hug you? And I'm like, yes. क्यों नहीं?
Superb. So, which was the first show? Was it a club show, or was it a campus show, or was it arena?
Bro, it was a club show in Gurgaon, and the organizer asked Anubhav to just get this guy off stage in next 15 minutes.
Okay, then?
मेरे को 15 मिनट स्टेज से नीचे उतार दिया था. घर पे okay, I used to have this Stanton controller, okay, DJC4 होता था Stanton का.
Yeah.
तो मैं उससे घर पे प्रैक्टिस करके वर्चुअल डीजे पे, अरे डीजेइंग तो मैं कर लूंगा. I went for the show, मेरे को दिखे सी डीजे. मुझे क्या पता था क्या होता उसके अंदर. पहली बात तो चलो अच्छा रिकॉर्ड बॉक्स लेना होता तो तुम्हें बाहर दिखेंगे. मैंने रेल गाड़ियां घोड़े दौड़ा रहा हूँ मैं स्टेज के पर.
Nice.
बट लेकिन उसने अनुभव को उस दिन बोला था that don't work on this guy, you won't succeed. I mean like ये फ्लॉप हो जाएगा.
But that is the I guess feel, bro. जो किक सलमान खान ने बोला था ना, जो किक आती है वही है.
उसके बाद I didn't perform for next 5 months, and तब भी मैंने घर पे ही प्रैक्टिस करी. A good friend of mine who's a DJ and everyone knows him, उसने मुझे सजेस्ट करा play on virtual DJ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मैं अपने लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन के ऊपर बार पे वहां पे पेपर लगाता था.
Yeah, okay.
You don't get to see the bar. You don't have to match देखकर listen to it.
Yeah,
And that's the tip
true.
for every upcoming DJ. अगर आप घर पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, don't look at the bar. अगर आप बाहर देख के करोगे, it won't help you.
True. And lot of people say कि नहीं यार हमारे पास गियर नहीं है, तो ये सुन लीजिए क्या बोल रहा है.
मैं घर पे हूँ, मेरे पास अभी भी कोई गियर नहीं है. I don't practice at all. कुछ नहीं करता. आप एक बार साइकिल चलानी सीख जाते हो, you don't have to learn it again and again.
Very true.
आपको एक बार तैरना आ गया तो आपको स्विमिंग पूल में आप जा सकते हो. आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी.
हाँ, you will figure it out.
आप कर सकते हो. And I ask everyone to focus on the mixer. सिर्फ play pause पे focus मत करो.
Yeah,
आप
true.
जितना इफेक्ट्स के साथ खेलोगे तो क्राउड विल गेट इन्वॉल्व मोर, उनको ज्यादा वाइब आएगी, वो फील आएगी उनको।
ट्रू। सुन लीजिए आप, जो लॉट ऑफ पीपल टेल मी हेयर इन डीएम्स, मेरे को कल भी किसी का डीएम आया फॉर वन आर्टिस्ट, एंड आई एम ग्लैड पीपल आर सेंडिंग मी नेम्स ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी आर्टिस्ट. मतलब
No,
आई
trust me, base culture and you guys, I'm like, you guys are doing very good job. आप रोज किसी ना किसी को लेकर आ रहे हो for interview.
या
इससे ना
ट्रू,
people like me also get to learn a lot.
या ब्रो, इवन आई एम लर्निंग.
Music is not इतना, music इतना बड़ा है कि हम सोच भी नहीं सकते.
No, true, very true. The thing is, the people whom मैंने अपनी लाइफ में कभी जिनसे बात नहीं करी, जिन डीजे से, मतलब बात इसलिए नहीं करी क्योंकि वो तो मेरी रीच से बाहर थे. तो अभी जब मैं ये सब चीजें कर रहा था, तब उनका स्टोरी, लाइक आई हर्ड अ स्टोरी ऑफ अख्तर भाई, आई हर्ड अ स्टोरी ऑफ आइवन सर, आई हर्ड स्टोरी ऑफ अकबर भाई, and I heard of story of money. Everybody, they have struggled so much in life because they have started DJing बहुत पहले. यार हम लोगों ने तो जब स्टार्ट किया है उस टाइम पे तो सब चीज था, ये रिकॉर्ड बॉक्स मैंने.
मैं आज अपने फेसबुक पे स्क्रॉल करता हूँ ना, जो ऑलरेडी सीनियर डीजेस मुझे, मतलब हम फ्रेंड्स हैं, आई सी देम शेयरिंग फोटोज फ्रॉम 2003-4. I'm like, भाई मैं तो थर्ड में था.
True, very true, man. And
वो लोग जो लोग सीडीज पे खेल चुके हैं, if I think about playing on CDs, I'll be like, no bro, खत्म.
no, I have also played in CDs.
भाई वही तो, रिस्पेक्ट फॉर यू गाइस. अगर हम पेन ड्राइव, इट्स अ वेरी इजी थिंग नाउ.
Yeah, no, it's not about pen drives, easy thing. But the thing is, these guys have struggled so much.
So,
Abhi,
yes.
right now, music is so easily available. Right now, you have access for social media, you have marketing
True,
team, you have everything.
You know how to showcase your talent. It's very
Yeah.
easy now. You get a platform
And
very easily.
yeah, you have YouTube.
Android phones, live chat, YouTube इतना कुछ कहाँ था.
True. And then these guys have struggled and they are still ruling the industry. That is the main part.
Bro,
Still
I
you
cannot
go
reveal the
to.
name, but मैं जब इस इंडस्ट्री में आया था, I had one idol.
Okay.
He's still India's #1 DJ. And touchwood, अगर वो सब कुछ परफेक्ट हुआ तो नेक्स्ट मंथ मेरी जो इंडिया की ड्रीम कोलैब है विद अ डीजे, वो सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगी, वो पूरी हो जाएगी.
I know उस डीजे का अल्फाबेट ही 3 है नाम में. I know, मैं इस लड़के को बहुत अच्छे से जानता हूँ मैं.
मतलब अगर मैं किसी को बोलूँ ना कि जीरो हेट रेट किसी के लिए मन में है, तो वो बंदा है, उससे कोई नफरत नहीं कर सकता.
True. Very true. I guess everybody follows him in the scene.
Everybody loves him, and he is one of the most humble and down to earth artists I've ever seen.
1 second, a lot of comments. I'm missing bhai. So sorry. NCM is also here. Your team is also here. Anubhav is also here. Anubhav sir finally on live chat. हमसे बात तो नहीं कभी करेंगे.
Anubhav doesn't come to live.
Ankita is saying you were amazing when you came to SNU. You are damn cute. अच्छा, cuteness भी लड़के की बात करेंगे, एक मिनट रुक जाओ. What's your process of selecting tracks for a non-commercial show? Very good question, Manuni threw up a question. अभी आप बताइए भाई.
I have to think. मैंने कोई non-commercial show करा भी है.
अच्छा, okay.
I've never done a non-commercial show. I want to do it. Though I'm not into this tech or something. I'm not into other genres. I recently started playing Bollywood. You know that.
Yeah.
You've helped me a lot in that.
No, we will. I didn't help you at all. It was all your hard work, not mine. Nothing.
I'm very thankful to each and every one of you जिन्होंने मेरे को अभी तक help करा and support करते आए.
Bro, it is always your attitude towards work, and it is always your relationships, how you maintain in the industry. अभी मेरे को, by the way, I'll tell you very frankly, this is 28th day of doing Base Culture live sessions, and you are the 28th DJ today with me. I never thought that I'm gonna pull this off so long. I thought 4-5 दिन करेंगे अपने एजेंसी वाले लोगों के साथ.
Good following, bro. लोग आते हैं देखने, लोगों को सीखना है.
नहीं, true that man, लोगों को जानना है. That is the main part, because here when in the DMs we see ना, a lot of people keep on sending messages कि आप इसको बुलाइए. Somebody saying, I wanna join your management. Management is already here. Come to Lucknow again after the lockdown. Tanam D'Souza is saying.
Come back to Lucknow. I would love to come back. I want to go to every city. I mean, same with your case, right? हम कितना मिस कर रहे हैं इस टाइम पे.
Yeah, true, very true. चलो, no, let's go back to Carnivore story again. So then 2016 you started. What was the genres which you were focused that time?
Progressive house. Till now, I'm into progressive and big room.
Okay, okay.
I love progressive house.
So then from the club show where you got thrown out of the stage in 15 minutes, post that, what was the scene? How was the scene? Like a lot of people take that as in a very bad way and then, stop doing whatever they are doing
That
currently.
was the real kick. I mean, उस time पे I could have quit किया, मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. I mean
True.
like I'll go back. इससे भी पहले जब मुझे अनुभव रोहित ने बोला कि you'll become a DJ, and I was like,
Yeah.
dude, shut up. I went back home. मैंने YouTube पे देखा. I got to see the CDJs. I got to see the mixer. I called Anubhav and I literally abused him कि ये इतने सारे बटन मुझसे नहीं चलेंगे, मुझे फोन मत करियो आज.
True. Then
उसके बाद पता नहीं हुआ. I mean like these guys introduced me to many international DJs, Stadium X, Megaman, who are playing tournament from last 6 years. So उन्होंने मेरे live sessions कराए उनके साथ. They used to teach me how to do it. They used to give me tips about everything. Music कैसे select करना चाहिए, कैसे play होना चाहिए, सब चीजें.
okay. So
it started.
Ankita is saying, please come to SNU again. Somebody is saying. Ketan sir is also here. Ketan sir is somebody who is there in the industry from long time and interviewing every big artist in the country. Hello Ketan sir, how are you?
Hello Ketan sir. He's saying, do you eat vegetables at all? Yes.
One-liners are very famous, man. I got to learn on my life. Himanshu is saying, how was the experience at YU18 NIMS Mumbai?
It was very good. I guess that was the one when we met, right?
Yeah, first time, yes.
With Ritviz and me.
Yeah, you and Ritviz were playing. Yes, you played before Ritviz.
Amazing festival, amazing. The vibe was good, the production, the sound, everything. And Bombay ka crowd never disappoints you. They're always ready to party. They're always ready to kick it.
True. Then how's the scene now? What do you feel about when you started? I guess Big Room and Progressive House was on peak. Right now, what do you feel about these genres? And tell us about Beator also.
I'll be honest. Okay, so I don't think Big Room and Progressive House can get outdated. They can never. When it comes to festival, you want to listen to Big Room, you want to listen to Progressive House. The crowd wants to just jump on the music. That's what EDM is all about. You have to enjoy it. You get the kick inside you. And my first love was Big Room and Progressive House. They're always going to be.
Okay. So people are... Dude, that was mad. Okay, Manuni is saying that one names. Somebody is writing here, sir, why don't you play live? We love your music.
ये मेरी दोस्त है. She's my friend and I don't have any gears at home. I cannot play. I don't even come live on Instagram.
Even I used to kick it. Okay, 1 second. Then people started kicking it. Then it hurt. Nice. Okay. So what about Beat, or when you decided to, you should shift your genre in terms of that, and how did you come up with the new name as well? Your first name is any which way is very, very different from every other DJ, man. So like, when you tell somebody, I'll bring you a DJ Carnivore, then they will, think twice, okay, ye kaun hai? That happens very often. That happens.
I know. That's a very different name, right?
Yeah.
And BTOR thing, it's like B stands for Bollywood, TOR stands for the TOR Punjabi wali swag. So that's
Acha, TOR. Okay.
That's exactly BTOR is.
Okay, Bollywood.
We were planning this project from last 1 year. वो टल रहा था because of the shows going on Carnival के चल रहे थे एक के बाद एक.
Niharika asked a very good question. Fed up just before stage. Okay, what was the feel just before the stage show? Like proper stage show. Somebody asked the question.
Adrenaline rush.
Niharika asked, how long you prepare before a gig?
2 hours maybe in the morning. Before the show, I'm dancing. I'm seriously dancing in my room. मैं उसी टाइम से पागल होने लग जाता हूँ.
And I'll tell you, he's not lying, because I have met him this time when he came to Bombay, and he called me up. He's like, आजा ये room पे आजा, सब लोग chill कर रहे हैं. And he was actually dancing. He's getting ready, he's dancing. Then we went to the car, he's still dancing before the stage. And then he went there and started playing, and he was in the same mood. Till the time we finished the gig, he was in the same mood. Yes, true. Can we know the story behind names?
I only told the story behind Carnivore and BTOR.
Carnivore, he eats a lot of chicken. BTOR, he eats Bollywood Punjabi. Tor means Punjabi wala style. Okay, so
मेरे को ये words
So,
नहीं याद।
what was the first track which got released on the biggest label? I have everything written here, but I want to hear it from you.
Okay, so that was Taj Utsav. It was with Jack I. Jones. He's a DJ from
Okay.
Scotland, and he's a very good
Hmm.
friend of mine, Abibi. And he's been coming to India from last 3 years.
Okay.
And that IPZ Records is owned by Jack I. Jones itself.
Okay.
That was also
Okay.
a progressive house with classical touch.
Okay. What about Smash the House? What was the feeling cracking Smash the House, which is
Amazing.
world's, I
Who doesn't
feel,
wanna-
world's number one DJ's record
They're
label.
like DJs whom I follow blindly. I mean, like the way they perform, that's the reason I mean, like I love going mad on stage. Dimitri Vegas,
Okay.
like Mike, Afrojack, Skrillex,
Yeah.
and I don't know what else, Nicky Romero. So they get involved with the crowd. Martin Garrix, right? So getting signed on their label is like amazing.
Something, yeah, very at this age, it's very good, man. Swoop Music, which DAW you prefer for beginners?
Anything, it depends on you. Go to YouTube, you'll get to know जो तुम्हें attractive लग रहा है उठा लो उसको.
Don't worry about DAWs. I also want to say something. Don't worry about DAWs. It's all same. थोड़ा सा sound different है हर चीज का. Vande Mataram flashlight was amazing. I'm coming to that. I'm so sorry, Anjum. I will come to that. That is my one big question. One second. Somebody wrote embarrassing moment on stage while performing.
I went to stage in Navi Mumbai, Diva Party.
You fell down.
रैम से नीचे गिर गया.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Nice.
हाँ, I was headbanging, मुझे चक्कर आया, मेरे को समझ तो आता नहीं है स्टेज पे, मैं बिल्कुल पागल हो जाता हूँ, तो मैं यार कहाँ आ गया हूँ मैं.
Very, somebody is asking how to be smart like you. I guess more, अच्छा, Pranav, how to be smart like you. So tell me, how was the reaction from your parents, man, when you told them I want to be a DJ? Like anybody in the family
Very bad
from the
fight,
musical
very
side?
bad, very bad fight with my father.
Okay, then what did he say?
I mean, like, समझ आ गया धीरे धीरे. I mean, like, typical Punjabi parents होते हैं ना, you tell them I want to become a DJ, like, अब तू शादियों में जाके गाने बजाएगा. Like, क्या बोल रहे हो? मेरे को रुको. Then I tried to show them videos on YouTube. देखो ये होता है actual DJ.
Yeah.
DJs are also artists. People follow them. People come and watch them live. और बहुत following होती है. So धीरे धीरे हुआ. Now my dad goes to clubs with me कभी-कभी मेरे shows के लिए. So we were in Bangalore this Feb for 8 days. I was there for my business meeting. Business as in I take care of my dad's business as well.
Okay.
So
Okay.
Diego Miranda was in Bangalore for a show at RV College. So I told him that I'm in
RV College. Okay.
Yeah, he
RV
invited
College.
me there and I went there and I joined him on the stage. My dad saw me and he was like, "Ye kya ho rahi hai?" And he saw 10,000 people going crazy.
Okay, superb. And it's the best feeling to bring your parents and they should know,
Seriously, बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I mean, like, they feel proud. I mean, like, I want to make them proud.
ਕੁਨਾਲ ਬਸੀਨ ਰੋਟ, ਹਾਂ ਇਹ ਦਿਨ ਆ ਗਏ ਆ ਹੁਣ ਤੂੰ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਆਹ ਵਿੱਚ ਡੀਜੇ ਵਜਾਏਂਗਾ. ਵੀਰੇ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ.
समझ आ गया बाजी. That Punjabi.
Nice.
Roots from Batinda.
Nice. One second. So you tell us about your track Taj-e-Utsav. Was there a track which crossed a
Collaboration
million?
with Jack I. Jones, right?
Acha, that was the track which was on IBZ
Yes,
records.
that was the first track.
Okay.
Then we did more collaborations for Panda Funk, and then we released a track on Ministry of Sound. Tiesto played
Yeah.
that track.
Okay, superb.
That was one of the best.
It's a very good feeling, I must say, that when somebody whom you have seen playing from, I guess, more than 30 years and still he plays your track, and then it is the most, I think it is the best feeling
That
ever.
was the first time I cried watching someone playing my track.
Oh, superb. Okay. So now there's a thing you need to tell us about the video, which this guy is the only DJ this is the DJ who started the trend of playing Vande Mataram in campus shows. I am telling upfront here. I bring that track to every campus show, but I have never played it till now. I am saying upfront, I have never played it.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know, man. Whenever I feel like playing it, कुछ ना कुछ होता ही है हमेशा हर बार. But this is a DJ who brought that track into scene, and he's sitting in front of me right now. You would need to tell me that experience, which college it was, how did that video got so viral?
That was Kelkar College, Bombay, and we uploaded
Kelkar
that
College,
video
Bombay.
in 2000. I mean, like, it got famous 2 years back, right? And
Yeah.
that video was released 3 years back.
Okay. Okay. No, I saw the video 3 years back only. I think I saw the video you posted on your
it
page.
came in limelight 2 years back. I don't know how. I used to call my team. I was like, तुमने कोई मेरे पोस्ट पे boost करा है क्या? मैं उनसे पूछ रहा क्यों? मैंने कहा इतने notifications कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? My page went from 36,000 likes to 1 lakh likes.
Superb.
And that video.
But how was the feeling? Did playing that track for the very first time?
My friends were sending me those WhatsApp stories से screenshot की bro देख तेरी videos लोगों ने WhatsApp story पे लगा रखी है. People were sharing that video over TikTok everywhere.
Yeah.
And I saw so
super.
many RJs sharing it on their Facebook page, so many meme page sharing it on their pages everywhere. It was so good. Now
Yeah,
people
so
call
I
me
saw.
Vanilla DJ.
It's good, man. It's good. Like, you know, if you करने दो वंदे मातरम, I don't think so they even know half of the DJs who they bring to their college.
हाँ, मैं
नहीं कॉलेज में वो जो बच्चे कॉलेज में डीजेस बुलाते हैं अपने फेस्ट के लिए, आई डोंट इवन थिंक सो कि 10 से ज्यादा लोग जानते भी हैं उनको. अगर कोई वंदे मातरम वाला डीजे बोल के जानता है तो देन यू आर द स्टार मैन. दैट यू मेड what made you do that वंदे मातरम? It was planned or sudden?
It was sudden. The same thing you telling me ना कि वो पेन ड्राइव में होता है बट बचता नहीं है. So I played it in Goa, Bits Goa, for the first time.
Okay.
वहाँ पे रिएक्शन बहुत जबरदस्त. I was like नहीं यार इसको बजाना पड़ेगा. फिर उसके बाद started playing हर जगह.
Oh. Lady Irwin College DU is missing you.
I'm missing Lady Irwin College. Girls College कौन miss नहीं करता? Like the real fans, I'll tell you, वही मिलते हैं. Colleges में मिलते हैं. We don't love. I mean, like, I love to play in clubs ज़्यादा. We want to play in festivals. बहुत अच्छा होता है.
Okay, superb. Some people like this is I think a personal choice. A lot of people love clubs.
Yes.
A lot of people love campus. A lot of people love arena.
Yes, because I'm more into commercial music, so you can understand why I love playing more festivals.
Yeah, no, true. If your heart says it is campus, you should only do that. You should never go against, because at the end when you go there where your heart is not saying, like it's not giving that vibe, then you will not be able to perform to the fullest. This guy is a star. Somebody Khan Laiba something. Yeah.
Thank you, Laiba.
Favorite remix which you never played?
Which you never played?
You never played. Favorite remix which like till now अभी तक वो गाना बचा के रखा है?
नहीं, ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है. मुझे जो समझ आता है play that. And I never plan a set before my show. I never do it. I play what I feel like.
अच्छा चलो मैं अभी 1-2 क्वेश्चंस पूछता हूँ, ठीक है? मतलब रैपिड फायर टाइप्स. Whatever comes in your mind, you have to tell us. Current favorite track. Don't say Genda Fool, everything else is fine.
My favorite track is 7 Years by Lucas Graham.
Okay, superb. What are you binge watching currently?
Politics. I'm into news. I don't watch Netflix.
Okay. Any celebrity crush?
Necessarily Scarlett Johansson.
Okay. So if you are not a DJ, then which profession you will choose and why?
Still into another profession, which is my business, my dad's business. I take care of my factories and all.
Okay. So somebody from my team wrote today question: your speciality, which makes you different from others? A true answer about whatever it is. Insanity, dancing skills. Favorite artist.
This tip is for every DJ. Till the time you are not going crazy on the stage,
nobody will.
All the beginners.
True, very true.
You have to enjoy your music. And फिर कोई मैटर नहीं करता कि कोई रिक्वेस्ट आएगी नहीं तुम्हारे पास. People will भाई ये इतना पागल इंसान है, इसको देखो, पागल हो जाओ.
हाँ, true. This is very true. Until you dance to your beats, nobody else gonna do that for you. nobody else. And this guy sitting here is the biggest example. मैं तो खुद बता रहा हूँ, मैं खुद डीजे, मैंने इसको देखा, ये खुद ही नाच रहा है पहले 2 घंटा पहले. How much peg can you drink? पंजाबी है मेरे भाई, कितने भी पी ले, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Yeah. A favorite place to hang out with friends.
Okay, so we go to my friend's terrace. वहाँ पे हम chill करते हैं. We have a good terrace garden and
Okay. Okay. And your dream collaboration, if it is some, first is your favorite DJ, favorite artist, whosoever it is, DJ, artist, singer,
Alesso.
and then
Alesso.
dream collaboration. Alesso. Dream collaboration. Alesso.
Alesso.
Okay, super. Super. So any advice to newcomers, any message you want to share to fans who are staying at home during this lockdown?
Just be yourself. I know I follow so many artists, okay? I want to be like them, but we have to be original. I've seen newcomer DJs, what they do, like, Nuclear is Nuclear, bro. You cannot be Nuclear. Nuclear stage पे जाके बोलेगा क्या बोल रही बॉम्बे की public. You cannot do that. Don't do it. Just be original. अपना actual side दिखाओ और लोग तुम्हें पसंद करेंगे. And don't ever give up. Don't ever give up. It's a never learning process and never learning as never ending process. Music कभी खत्म नहीं हो सकता. आप तुम सीखते रहोगे नई चीज.
Sanchit is asking secret for that energy on stage.
I don't know. Maybe music. That's it. Music makes me mad.
लोग सोच रहे नशे करके आता हमारा भाई. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं करता है, सोबर ही आता है ये.
I was in Jaipur and the organizer came to me, bro. I'm like, क्या हो गया?
True.
सब कहते कार्निवल पागल होता है, ऐसे ही होता है. मैंने कहा हाँ भाई.
हाँ.
मैंने कहा अगर मैंने ये करा ना तो तेरा ये CDs उठा के क्राउड पे फेंक रहा हूँ मैं.
Any favorite city where you love to play, like all time favorite city? एक तो होती है सबकी, मेरी बैंगलोर है.
बॉम्बे एंड बैंगलोर.
हैदराबाद, बॉम्बे, बैंगलोर. मेरी तो बैंगलोर है any day. I have stayed there for the longest.
सारी सिटीज अच्छी हैं, बट लेकिन वो होता है ना, तुम्हें क्लिक का होता है. They listen to very unique music. उनको समझ आता है, उनको मजा आता है.
True. And what about like any dream, any upcoming projects on Carnivore, any upcoming projects on
I told you
can
there's
tell.
one of the biggest collab जो मेरी Indian collab complete होने वाली है.
Okay.
That
With-
and
okay,
one with DJ Mag top 100 artist very soon on Smash Dance.
Okay. That will be on Carnivore and other one will be for Beator.
Carnivore. Beator पे I don't release much music. Beator पे remix is good.
Okay, Beator pe only remixes is fine. Okay, superb. So any favorite moment from last 2 months, man? We got to work only for last 2 months, like in 2020. Any favorite moment of 2020 or any favorite moment of your life which you want to share with everybody?
Like my first January was amazing. Like I entered 2020 with a bang. I was playing at Prism Hyderabad. I was headlining the club room and there were like 3,000 people inside the room and we were going crazy. That was amazing. And after that I played so many festivals. I guess I played more than 15 festivals in the last 2 months.
Okay, super.
Everything was amazing.
Okay, thank you, bhai. Thank you so much. If I'm so sorry, I didn't read a lot of questions. If anybody has a question, he doesn't go out much. I have to beg him. Somebody is saying.
I hate going to clubs, bro. When you are home, I sit with my family. That's it.
Your team is saying, NCM is saying, big journey ahead.
Yes,
brothers. True.
Yes.
Somebody asked the question same. If you're not a DJ, then what? He's gonna be a businessman. Like who's most supportive? 2020, you got yourself a new fan. Okay. Nitish Love. He is the inspiration. Oh man, so many comments. He's the inspiration to many of us, especially to me. Love you, Carnivore.
Thank you so
to
much.
me also, man.
Thank you so much, brother. Thank you.
Favorite club? I guess he mentioned. It's a favorite club in Pune. Somebody is saying favorite club in Pune.
I've been to Pune only for festivals.
Okay. Never been.
But I want to go. I want to be at Miami very soon. I want to go and perform in Miami.
Super, and that is also a next level.
I know.
Man.
I just want to go there and perform.
Yeah. Thank you for this session, much needed. Yeah, we were also hoping to get him on board. ये तो ज्यादा चिल कर रहा है और मेरी टीम में मैं भूल जाता हूँ थोड़ा, इतने लोगों को बुला रहा हूँ, मेरा खुद का ही दिमाग खराब हो गया. Thank you so much, Bhai, for joining.
Thank you so much,
Big
Razvan.
ups
Thank
to
you so much.
big ups to NCM team and big ups to Carnivore and Beator. Acha, Zufi, my friend from Manipal. Manipal is the place where I studied from him. Bro, get him to Manipal next year for your next campus. Definitely he's on for Manipal next year.
अनुभव
I'm
रोहित
giving my word on live.
ठीक है, अनुभव रोहित नोट करते रहना, डेट बता दो जल्दी.
No, I'm giving my word, man. Next year you will be going to Manipal. Manipal is my favorite place. Like it is my college. A very funny story. Like 2000 till 2014, I was in college and I played in college like twice. First was opening set for Nisu. Second was opening set for Lost
I
Stories,
love
I guess.
Anisu, bro. I love Anisu.
NCM is saying booked. Thank you so much. I am getting confirmations on live session. So what happened the next 2015? I was playing Sunburn in my campus with Sartek, Rohan Kapoor, and me. We three were playing, and that was, my goodness, that was the best feeling, man. You
I was
have all your
studying at this Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies. That's VIPS in Delhi. So it's
Okay.
IQ University. So they called me 3 years back to headline.
Oh, super, man. How is the feeling going back to the same college? Man, it gave me goosebumps when I started playing at
ये
my
भी
own campus.
मैं पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छा था.
अच्छा, okay.
बहुत अच्छा था. मैंने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन भी 5 साल में पूरी करी है.
सुपर. मेरे को लगा सही में अच्छा था बहुत ज्यादा.
ग्रेजुएशन
Then-
5 साल में कंप्लीट करी है. 12th मैंने बहुत अच्छे से पास करी है 2 बार.
Okay. अच्छा, ठीक है. फिर
जब
फिर उन्होंने
मुझे कॉलेज में बुलाया, I mean like for the to headline the festival, I was still in my college.
Okay.
Though I used to not attend my college, I'm the guy IP University जिसको गालियां देता था because of me. पूरे IP University के कॉलेज में PTM स्टार्ट हुई है.
Okay, parent teacher meeting.
लास्ट सैटरडे बच्चों के फोन उठा, आप पेरेंट्स को बुला लो, और वहां पे लिस्ट रखी, सबसे ऊपर मेरा नाम.
but
घर से तो कॉलेज ही जाते, मैंने कहा बस पता नहीं.
But when you headline that campus, that college of yours did a show over there, I think all the people who must have seen you, उन्होंने बोला होगा कुछ तो चलो कर रहा है अपनी जिंदगी में.
नहीं, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. जो मेरी डीन थी ना, अनुराधा जैन मैम, सो उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया. शी गॉट अ पिक्चर क्लिक विद मी. अपने फेसबुक पे उन्होंने पोस्ट करी.
Okay, super.
वहाँ पे होता ना कि यस, मिशन डन, कंप्लीट.
Yeah, true, very true, very true. चलो, thank you so much, bhai, for joining. If anybody has a question, please send me, or did you... Manipal, तो I have already answered. Thank you for this session. Thank you so much. कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन जो रह गया हो मेरे पास से तो प्लीज अभी
ये सारे हमारी बातों पे हंस रहे हैं.
No, it was epic. चलो, thank you so much for joining, bhai. Big ups to...
And thank you for always supporting. Okay, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
no
I'll see you
problem,
soon in
man, no
Bombay.
problem. Yeah, sure. Thank you, NCM. Thank you, Anubhav. Bye. Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Nishit. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
See you
Bye.
very soon. Bye.